Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. Today we are going to talk about the future of mobile app development. So here if you want to know about that or you are interested in the top trends which are going to come in this mobile app development industry, mobile app development world, then stick around because today I've covered each and everything you need to know. So let's get started. So mobile app development is basically a process to create software application for your mobiles. Here you allow your users to get the services and features they want from their mobile application. And you're talking about the market, the global market value is huge, worth over $350 billion. And if we talk about Indian market, then the Indian market is growing rapidly with 20% of growth every year and is expected to go 2 lakh crores by 2025. Such a huge number. And now staying updated with the latest trends, top trends and everything related to mobile application is very important. Maybe you are a business owner, a shop owner, you are just a developer, you are someone who just want to stay ahead because now mobile applications, specifically the applications, are really very important and they are going to be the future. So here let's understand these top trends of mobile app development one by one. First is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So artificial intelligence, that is AI, and machine learning, that is ML, are like brain power of your application. They here can help your application to learn and understand as human being. And here this helps your application to be more intelligent yet smart plus user friendly for your users. Your chatbots can reply to your users while the predictive analysis can predict what they want. This is like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. So AI and ML are really making your application, or you can say that are really going to make your application much more intelligent and fun to use. Next we have is augmented reality and virtual reality. So AR, that is augmented reality, and VR, that is virtual reality, are like magic for your application. Augmented reality adds digital magic to your real world while virtual reality takes you to a completely new world. It's like they're adding magic to your application, they're adding magic to your whole life by adding intelligence and fun for your users. Here they can also make the whole application much more interactive and fun. For example, gaming applications or educational experience where the whole experience is like real life and also the whole experience is more fun. So the future of mobile app development is exciting and rapidly evolving. So if you want to start your own application, then this is the correct time so that you can update your application according to the time. And now if you seriously want to build a mobile application of any kind, feel free to connect to us because here in our company we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. And here in our company we also use Flutter, which is a cross-platform app development tool. So you know what benefits cross-platform is going to give to you. So if you seriously want to build an application or any type of application, then feel free to connect to us. Our contact number is given in that description box. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information you can also visit our website, which is also linked in the description. Thank you and we'll meet in the next video.